This is a package from Japan that includes a UI-7 FM/AM expansion board for my Icom 725 high-frequency transceiver. So I spent about $148 with shipping and tax and everything on this guy. I only spent $300 on the radio, so it may not be the best financial sense to do another 25% of the radio cost just to upgrade it for FM and AM. So far I haven't used FM and AM because the radio doesn't support it, and I figure if I have the radio it'd be nice to have it usable. So the radio has front panel buttons for the FM and AM, but they don't work unless you have this board installed, and it didn't come by default. So I went out and bought a used one, and we are going to install it and get FM AM on my radio. Alright, this is the UI-7 AM FM board itself. It plugs into the bottom of your radio, so I'm going to have to open the case up to install this. Now the Icom 725 radio has an AM FM button on the front panel. It just doesn't actually work until you've installed the UI-7 board. To remove the bottom panel, we need to get these 4 screws here, and then the 4 screws on the sides here, so that panel will pop out. Alright, once those screws are out, this panel just slides off, and they have a place here where there's the tone unit and the FM unit, and so the FM unit will plug in right in there. It hooks into this guy, and then these cables off of it are going to plug in a few other places. Alright, so the installation of this guy looks pretty simple. You basically plug it into this guy, and then the 2 wires plug into J22 and J21, and I'm assuming the shorter one will only reach J22, and the longer one will be the one that can reach J21. But they also say here, connect the supplied brown wire between J5 on the front unit and J3 on the UI-7. So my UI-7 unit did not come with a brown wire, and I don't know if it has a J3. Yes, it does have a J3 there, and my unit does have a J5 on the front unit. So I am going to have to figure out how to connect those myself. It looks like it's just a plug, so if I get a female connector that'll plug over a plug, it should work. But it needs to be short enough to fit with this guy upside down. Alright, I have these little crimp connectors. They're designed to go inside of plastic housings, but I am just going to solder them, crimp and solder them, and heat shrink tubing them to the end of a wire of the appropriate length and make my own wire here. I've determined that 11 inches will be long enough without leaving too much extra wire floating around. I don't have brown, so we're going to be doing yellow. I'm hoping it's not supposed to be like some type of super coax RF insulated cable. It's just a generic 24 gauge hookup wire. So I don't actually have the right crimping tool for these guys, so I just soldered that sucker on and kind of hit these on with some pliers. The heat shrink tubing is going to cover a lot of ills. Alright, so for the J3 jumper on the UI-7 unit, I've bent this guy at a 90-degree angle because it has to come out the bottom. The J5 on the front panel of my radio is just straight. Alright, measure 0 ohms on the multimeter, so let's ship it. Alright, that plugged onto jumper 3. It felt very frictiony, like it's not going to come off. Have enough clearance there. It's lower than that capacitor anyways. I'm pulling the jumper 6 wires out of the way to make this easier to install. Alright, the shorter one goes to 22, the longer one goes to 21, and my 11 inches, which probably could have been 10 or 9, goes to jumper 5 on the front panel. Decided that routing these guys in here is a little better than going over the top of this thing. There's like a piece of plastic and foam, and I think that's going to touch pretty much the top of this guy. Now on the back grill, normally all of these grill things are open if the UI-7 unit is not installed. So all of the units shipped with the AM/FM button, and if you push it, it'll do AM and FM up here, but it won't actually transmit in AM and FM unless the UI-7 unit is installed. Same thing with the CW, the narrow filter doesn't do anything unless you have that actual piece installed.